Hi, my loves. It's me, the baby voice. We're growing smarter. One book, one song, one rhyme at a time. Share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us for new fun learning videos. Does everybody know what time it is? Yes, you do! It's time to learn! Guess what we're learning about today? That's right, numbers 80 through 90. It's cooking time! What are we counting today? Chef's hats, aprons, pans, and whisks. We have guests in the studio today. Treasured Readers, Royal, and Micah. And they're going to count for you.
We're going to count some chef hats. Ready? Begin. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Next, we're going to count some aprons. Ready? Begin. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Now we're going to count some whisks. Ready? Begin. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Finally, we're going to count some pans. Ready? Begin. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Yay! We just counted from 80 to 90. Did you have fun counting with our treasured readers, Micah and Royal? These are just some of the numbers that you will learn. Join us for numbers 90 to 100. Take a look at our other videos for more fun learning. So glad you came here today. We're here to celebrate you. Yay, you! We'll see you learning. Bye.